Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how I make the easiest ramen from the Samyang Buldak Carbonara. So now, for ingredients, let's check down below. The Samyang noodle that I use here, I'm using cream carbonara, but I try with carbonara as well. Without the cream, it works also. So it's depend on you guys. So now, you will need one of these. Inside your bowl, you want to add all the packet seasoning from the Buldak Carbonara. Now you want to add for about 1 tablespoon of cube mayo, and then 1 egg yolk. Mix it. So after you mix well on everything, now we're gonna cook the noodle, but do not throw away the water because we're gonna use the water, about half a cup, to mix the sauce. So now my noodle is cooked. I'm gonna put about half a cup into my sauce that we make it earlier. Just gonna mix it. I'm gonna give it a little taste. It's nice, but it's still a little bit too salty for me, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna keep spinning, keep mixing, make sure it's mixed evenly. Give it another taste. Now it's perfect. Now I drain all the water from my noodle. I just transfer the noodle into your pot. Give it a little mix. Look at this. It's nice and creamy. Now for garnishing, this is totally up to you. The first thing that I'm going to do, because I like it spicy, I'm going to use the crisp chili oil. Just gonna drizzle a little bit by little bit. Green onion. For my protein, I'm gonna use spam. It's nice and easy. I'm gonna use also the mushroom. And now ramen is not complete without nori. So there you go guys, that's how I make a ramen hack with Samyang Buldak Carbonara. So that's it for our today's video guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.